You're so beautiful. I'm so proud of you. So thank you.
What? Oh, you scared me?
Girl, no. I almost
I'm
teared
like,
up.
what? Is there a bug?
No, I almost teared up. Low-key.
Hello, friends. My name is Kennedy, and I'm about my faith in lace. And it's my last week of undergrad. It's my last week of college. I don't even know how to act. It's like I'm excited, but I'm kind of sad. Like, I've just been taking the past couple of weeks to really reflect. That's why the vlogs haven't been up. I have like 3 vlogs that need to go up, but which I'm gonna try to edit this week. But it's just crazy because as I've taken the time to really reflect, I'm like, wow, like I really went through a lot. Like a lot. Grew a lot, learned a lot, and I'm really like, I'm the same person but then not at the same time. So who knows what will happen between now and my commencement. My commencement is like 2 weeks after my last day, just for COVID precautions and all of that. But I'm so grateful too to have an in-person ceremony. It's just really, really like surreal to be in that stage of life where my friends and I, like, we're graduating college or going to grad school or going into the workforce or have flourishing businesses. It's just crazy. Having babies, getting married. I'm like, whoa, that's crazy. But I'm grateful that God got us this far. This is a watered down guava passion fruit. This is like my fave summer non-caffeinated bev. It's just refreshing. Y'all know me. I'm just learning about paper through Grammarly. Because I'm like, I'm really about to finish like all my work for undergrad right here, right now, on a random Monday at 10:15 p.m. So I'm like finishing up these assignments and I'm gonna be done with all my work for college, like ever, which is crazy. Like, oh my gosh, yikes. My hair looks crazy. My slick back ain't slick no more. Class tonight, my second to last class of college ever. Oh my gosh. You know when you're sweating, you can feel your hair gel melting? That's like what's happening to me right now. But tomorrow, my friends and I are gonna go to the beach. Half to hang out and then half to celebrate some of us graduating. So I actually forgot we were doing this until literally today, but I need to see if I can get a bathing suit quickly. So, and then I want to see if I can cop a sundress or an easy fit. Kids are yelling. I don't know where they're coming from, but whatever. Thank you too. So I am right now by Five Below and Ulta. I want to go to Ulta because I need to get some SPF. And that's it. I think that's it. Honestly, I might see if Five Below has some. But girl, I'm tired and I need a pee. So double homicide. But it's whatever. This lighting is horrible, but cheers to my last Zoom class of the semester. Well, my second to last, but oh my gosh, this is weird. This is weird.
You know, finding some of the needs in the field and things that you're interested in. Because that's certainly something that when you guys are in the field, you're going to want to talk about what you think your clients need. Congratulations. Best of luck to all of you as you go on. Commend you guys. Like the 2021 graduates, you guys have really been through the ringer. So you're here now. So with that, we are done. So have a great summer.
Reading so that I can be out and on the road when I need to be. This is still so weird to me, like, wow. My last class. Hey y'all! So I am about to log off of class. I've just been getting ready. I'm going to the beach. Let's go get away. I want to take these out, obviously, before I go outside. This isn't giving what I wanted it to give, but it's okay.
He is going off the lyrics! I can do it if I knew the beat. Jackson on the edge. Put on legs on it. Put on legs on it. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like how rich you like. I would record, but then it was literally pausing. Talking about it is being sooner. And I'm like, maybe we should.
Call him Wayne cause he's a shotter. Pick up the line and the projects to making projects.
Wait, who? Oh,
They said they found us.
I'm sorry that the colors are here, but what do I got to do?
Give my last. I trip on a trip with that. Let me slip back.
Avion, you hungry, bro? Avion.
Nah, it was the fish for me. It was definitely the fish for me. I've never seen a whole fish wash up on a New Jersey shore. That's true. Hopefully I don't have a problem with this little thing because everybody's got beef with the meter. All right, we're gonna get up close because old girl didn't do that. Insert ticket. License plate being checked. Oh, it's only $2. Yeah, I don't know what was going on with the other girl. Oh, people think you can Apple Pay anything, and you really can't. Okay, so I know this vlog is all over the place, but basically this section of the vlog is just like my last final outing as a senior at Montclair State. They actually went out with a pretty big bang and rented out the American Dream Mall, which is this huge new mega mall in New Jersey. And they rented it basically just to like honor the graduates and everything we've been through as students. So it was an overnight event for like 3 hours from like 9 to 11:30-ish. We were in the theme park, and then around 12 a.m. we hit the other side of the mall for the rest of the night.
Okay, so now we're going to the front of the room for the second half to 1 a.m.
Okay, go. I'm screaming. No, it actually looks real. You look real little. It actually is low-key scary.
Oh, wait. Okay, we going backwards? I'm screaming. I'm like on my knees.
Ooh, girl.
Oh, I gotta go to bed.
What a night. Like,
I should go to bed.
go baby, go baby, go. Go baby, go baby, go. Go baby, go baby, go. Just kidding. I do wear pack here. Only when it's connect on though. Now I'm applying this foundation. I use this in my actual like graduation picture. Get ready with me, the professional one where they played me like an idiot. But it will still be So I'm wearing this, but you just gotta say good, cause she can move. She like to get electric. No, but it do be sliding a little bit if you don't say good. I'm gonna hurry up and do the rest of my pics and I'll get back with y'all. Yeah, that's fine. Where a photo? I hope it's gonna mess my face up. My mom said, "Where you from?" I said,
I did that in high school. It was
"That's
the
what I
worst idea
said."
in the world.
I took.
That's crooked.
I know. I'm like, I can't see.
They made you, like, when you check in, they made you take the cap off to make sure you don't have contraband underneath. Because people like to bring foam and balloons and
balloons,
like beach balls and stuff, and like pass them around and during the ceremony.
That don't hurt. I'm about to say,
So I went and I bobby pinned that
and they made you
strategically
take it
before I left. And then it
off.
was the principal that like really liked me freshman year, and she was like, "I know, I'm sorry, but I have to."
It's like, you know, this
I'm
is
like,
stuck
you
on
know
my
me.
head.
You know I won't do
stuck on
that.
my head. Just pat me down. At that point, just boop boop boop. Yeah, let's just do that.
And I had to try to put it back on.
Oh, that is so annoying.
It was a mess. And then it was they moved
so
their graduation up earlier in the day because it was supposed to downpour. It was humid. I had a fro and it was humid. A mess. A mess.
Got something. It's always something. Oh, But I got from like a regular size. I probably should have got it in like a video, so then I could wear it as I go home. Yeah, I can take me the next one.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, you wanna love me, and I will show you that.
Oh yeah. And that's a wrap. Do you want to get in it?
You're so beautiful. I'm so proud of you. So thank you.
What? Oh, you scared? Girl, no. I almost
I'm
teared
like,
up.
what? Is there a bug?
No, I almost teared up. Low key.
Run back to you.